If you're getting these messages while logging into your WhatsApp account, like your phone number is banned from using WhatsApp, or this account is not allowed to use WhatsApp, the video for today is going to be very interesting, because in this video, I will give you a brief guide on what you should do to appeal a temporary ban, a permanent ban, and a WhatsApp API account ban. If you're watching my video for today, I'm sure your WhatsApp account is banned. I'm very sorry about that, but let's try and see how we could help you get your WhatsApp account unbanned by appealing to them the proper way. Now, the first thing is you need to understand what kind of a ban your account is on. It may be a temporary ban, a permanent ban, or if you have a WhatsApp API account, your account may just be on a review because your account may have violated Meta's terms and conditions. Now, if you are on a temporary ban, it's pretty straightforward. You just log into your account with WhatsApp, just access your account, and you're going to get a pop-up like this, and you are going to get an option to contact customer support. You just contact them directly and send them an appeal. Just be polite, direct, short and sweet. If it is a permanent ban, what you could do is try connecting with WhatsApp support directly. So many ways to connect with WhatsApp support. Either you log into the application, if it gives you an option to appeal, send them a message and try and get your account unbanned. If you do not get that option because it's a permanent ban, you may just do a Google search for WhatsApp ban my account. After you do that, you get a lot of suggestions out here. Just click on the first suggestion, which takes you to the WhatsApp help center. Here you're going to get a lot of suggestions and all these things you could go through if you want. That's totally on you, but I would suggest you scroll down and you see a message box out here. Just click on no, select the second or third option, whatever you want, click on select, and you get an option to send an appeal out here. Now you could send them a message like this: hello WhatsApp team, I understand I may have violated WhatsApp policies unintentionally. I have stopped all bulk messaging and removed any third-party tools. I kindly request a review of my account. Thank you. Mention your WhatsApp number also and submit this. You're going to get a response from customer support within 24 to 72 working hours. Once you get a response from them, you could work with the rep that is in conversation with you. Tell him or her that you haven't done anything wrong, you haven't spammed or anything like that if you're innocent, and I'm very much sure these guys are going to work with you to see if they could unban your account. If you're not getting a response, you could just do a search for Google Play and then get to the first link for Google Play. Do a search for WhatsApp out here. Get to the official page for WhatsApp on Google Play, and under app support you're going to see an email address out here. Just send these guys an email out here, okay, putting in your WhatsApp number and everything. You should get a response within 24 hours because this is the developer team. They're pretty quick in giving responses. Now, if you have a WhatsApp API account and it's under review, what you could do is the same thing. Just get in touch with customer support and request them to unban it. Another way to contact WhatsApp for any type of a ban is through the Contact Us part of the website. Just click on Contact Us. You're going to be directed to this page. Click on this link, Contact Us. You're going to get a form to fill up out here. You could fill up this form and send in your appeal. Put in your number, put in your email address, confirm your email address, select how you use WhatsApp, okay, and put in your appeal message out here, okay, and mention everything, your WhatsApp number, email, whatever. All right. Now, after you appeal, the second thing what you could do is remove the SIM from the existing device, put it on another device and reinstall WhatsApp out there to see if you could use WhatsApp out there on the second device. If you could use, well and good. If you cannot, just, I would suggest wait for the appeal message to come in from WhatsApp. If you were able to unban your WhatsApp account, do let me know in the comment section below. If you are still facing a problem and you are absolutely innocent, you haven't done anything wrong, you know it for yourself, you have the proof, send me an email. I'll do my best to help you with the topic for today. Give my video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.